Hello guys, welcome back to the internet skills channel. Yeah, the internet skills channel. I've got another amazing tutorial for you guys. And this tutorial is all about how to change the default launcher activity in your Sketchware application. What do I mean by default launcher activity? That is the activity that is first launched, that is first opened when your app is launched. So this activity by default is the main activity which is in your Sketchware application. To change this, I've got a way to demonstrate this to you. I've got a way to do that, so I'm demonstrating this to you through this video. So I would like you guys to follow me to the end of this video to be able to achieve this. So now let's continue to create it. To demonstrate this to you, I would like to create a test application to do this. So I'm creating my test application now. Now you should name, okay, sorry, I'm trying to create a test application to do this. So let me name it launcher activity. So create this app. Now can you see at default this main activity, at default, if you click on this to see the list of activities we have, is the main activity. This main activity can't be edited, can't be changed and can't be tampered with, so it is by default created by our Sketchware application. So and this main activity, this is how it's this is it here. So you can drag and drop anything, any widgets on this activity to use it. And you can create other activities by clicking this plus button to have many as much as possible pages in your application. So let me change this to name this home. So yeah, another activity is created for us here. So if you click on this, what's up, read up. Okay, we click on this. So we are on the main home activity now. So let's try to drag some things here to identify each activity. Okay, wait. Now this is a linear vertical layout. Let us stretch it to the end of the screen to match parents here. So you can just change the background color to make something unique from the other activity. Let's change it to purple. Now drag the text to indicate that this is the main activity. So let's bring this text to the center of the screen. So you just click on this layout, this linear layout. We drag this text view inside into the linear layout. So click on this linear layout to position the text view to the center. We choose center horizontal. This center horizontal means this. So the application will be placed at this point, and the center vertical means this. So the application will be placed at the center of this vertical. Do you understand? No, this is horizontal. Yes, horizontal. And where is the center of the horizontal? Here. So the application will be placed somewhere here, and somewhere here. It may be here, somewhere here, and or here. So this simply means that if you choose only the center horizontal, so it will be placed at the center of that level it is. So if you now want to place it somewhere here, you change the center vertical also, and this center vertical simply means here. So what is the center of this vertical line? It is here. So this text view will be placed at the very center of the screen, of the whole screen. So then select. Can you see where this text view is placed? So now the aim of this text view is to indicate that this is the main activity, or yes, the main activity. Sorry, phone calibrating. Sorry. Now click on this text and change the text view to main activity, then click on save. Now let's make this text color to white. So let's come here again. To use this, I want to reuse this in the next activity to save time. Then click on this linear layout, then click on this save button here. Sorry, this save button here. Then click on any name to save it. You type any name to save it. So let's move on to the home activity here. Now to use that widget, I have to come to this this component. This is where I will find my saved collections, my saved widgets. So this is the recent widget I saved, so drag it here to save the stress of dragging all this independently again, as I've done in the previous activity. So now let's change this text view to home activity to indicate that this is the home activity. Home. Then you click on save. So now here it is. Let's change the background color to make it more explanatory. So now here it is now. So let us run this application by default to know which activity is launched by default. So let's run this project to compile into our application, and then we install to check. So that's the installation process. So now let's install. So here we should take note of which application is installed, as in which activity is launched first. Sorry. So click on open. Now can you see this is the main activity? So there's no other thing we can do here. So this is the main activity. The main activity is the activity that is first launched. We didn't do anything, it is by default. So now if we want to change this to this home activity, this is the main activity here. Yes, so if you want to change the default launcher, that it should first show this home activity first to us. So then this is what we're going to do. You just come to this top right bar, top right dot here, click on this top right dot, then you scroll down here to your Android manifest tab. You click on it. Can you see this launcher activity here? So you click on this now, and you can see below this is written change the default. Below this is written change the default launcher activity. So you can just do it by clicking on it. This is main. Come back to check the name of the activity you want to change. Can you see this is main.xml, this is home.xml. So you exempt this .xml and write the remaining letters as what you need to put here. So, and that is home. Take note, it is written in small letters. So you just come here, the Android manifest tab, then click on launcher activity, change this main to home. Now you click on save. So for any other activity you want to do same for, you can just come to here to check the name as I've expressed earlier. So now, and bring that name to that place I typed to this very place, then type in the name. So now let's run the application. You click on save to save the project, then run the application to see which activity is first launched. Now install. Now let us open. Yeah, can you really see that this is the home activity first launch? So I hope we've successfully achieved what we need in this tutorial. So now you've learned how to change the default launcher activity in your Sketchware project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial all through from the start to the end. So thank you guys. I thank you guys once again, and wait, as in expect more tutorials, amazing tutorials like this in the upcoming uploads. So please, if you're a new viewer of this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to quickly get updates uh on this channel. And also uh do not do not forget to share this channel with your friends, friends of of same interest that this channel is all about. So I thank you guys once again. So thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day too. So goodbye.